Hey, welcome to Carpe Diem with Ridhima, your passport to spontaneous joy, crazy experiences, and soulful moments, and also to guide you in exploring the wonderful intrigues that exist on our beautiful planet.
Guys, if you thought Fifi was your beach dream, then let me take you to Kai Islands and then you decide for yourself. So this was our day 4 in Phuket. Today we are hopping through not one, not two, but 3 slices of paradise. Excited?
Information welcome to our Sea Sky company. Our your wristband is Thai Adventure Club. Okay, so we go to Green Color 2000. Three Kai Island. We first start from number 1 to number 2. Kai Nice by speedboat, 20 minutes to the first island, and we will stay the first island about 1 hour. 1 hour you can do.
So these 3 famous Kai Islands are Kai Nok, Kai Nai, aka Cat Island, and Kai Nui. Just 15-20 minutes by speedboat from Phuket. Chalo. First stop, Kai Nok, the excellent island. So Kai means egg in Thai, and Kai Nok literally looks like a fried egg from the sky. Cute, right? White sand, clear water, perfect for water sports and lounging like a beach bum. But fair warning, the beach can get crowded, so come early. The sand's pretty but also a little rocky in parts. वहाँ पे rocky pebbles होते हैं, so you need to be careful. And also don't be surprised if instructors warn you about sea urchins. Listen to them. On the boat, they pamper you with fresh fruits and juice. Sip and soak that vitamin C. It's needed, right? Stop 2. Kai Nai, the famous Cat Island. Yep, you heard that right. Cat Island. Kai Nai is home to over 80 cats roaming around like they own the place, which honestly they do. Some say that years ago this island had a bit of a rat problem and cats were brought in to control them. Lekin ab no rats, just cats basking in the sun and photobombing your selfies. So bring some cat treats. वहाँ पे बीच पे भी cat treats बेचते हैं, so you can buy from there also. But go easy. These cuties depend on us tourists for food and care. It's like a cat cafe but on a beach. Total vibe. Stop 3, Kai Nui, Snorkel Nirvana. Kai Nui is the tiniest of the 3 but packs the biggest underwater punch. Shallow reefs, vibrant fishes. Think Finding Nemo. याद है वो movie? This island is great for snorkeling, but again, watch your step. The seabed has sharp rocks and sea urchins, so good footwear is a must. Pro tip, bring your own mask if you are picky, though operators usually provide basic gears. Otherwise, आप पियर से भी ले सकते हो. At the pier, before you leave, you might get coffee, tea, cookies, but always check with your tour operator. They click some candid pictures, so strike a pose because you'll be tempted to buy them later. After the tour, some packages include a small portion of pad thai, but again, confirm in advance. Actually, in this package, our lunch was also included. Thanks to Pick Your Trail, they had arranged this tour for us. And this is a half-day activity, so you won't be that tired. Like, you can get very tired, exhausted after Phi Phi Island tour. Another thing, it's my recommendation and my opinion that if you have to choose between James Bond Island and Khai Islands, I would strongly recommend Khai Islands. James Bond Island, it is also a beautiful island, but Khai Islands are even more gorgeous. These islands were such a surprise. Honestly, I loved them even more than Phi Phi. They are fun, unique and bursting with character, from coral reefs to furry friends. So tell me, are you more of a cat island cuddler, a snorkel queen or a beach bum? Drop it in the comments. And until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and as always, Carpe Diem with me, Riddhima.